Don't learn crypto security the hard way. Today's video is sponsored by the MineYourBiz Substack. Go to mineyourbiz.substack.com to sign up for free. Don't learn crypto security the hard way. It's the DM we never want to receive, the email we hope we never have to open. Dude, have you been hacked? It's easy to get scammed, hacked, or compromised. Not only does this keep happening within the crypto sphere, it seems to happen more frequently each year. The rise of DeFi and NFT trading is directly correlated to increased theft. With an increasing number of tokens launching and more tie-ins to social media than ever before, more and more crypto users are resorting to mobile wallets. Twitter, for example, requires this in order to link an ETH account for provable ownership of your NFT profiles. Not a single month goes by without hearing the cries of a new victim. And even the most active in the NFT space can fall prey to the siren call of convenience. While I feel truly sorry for the latest high-profile hack, there are some key lessons which we'll sum up in a minute. One lesson is to never become complacent or think that just because you've succeeded in not being hacked for a while, that you can now engage in a little bit of risky behavior. This comes from NFT God on Twitter. This is one of a series of tweets that he sent out. Now, I'm highly technical, but not after not setting up a ledger for 2 years, I screwed up. I entered my seed phrase in a way that no longer kept it cold. I knew I made a critical mistake. To this point, I haven't bought an NFT for months and wasn't planning on doing it anytime soon. Now, if you ever set up a hardware wallet, then you know that it only takes a little longer to do it right. Crypto gains are often temporary, but crypto losses are always permanent. Take the extra 15 minutes to set it up correctly. What this Twitter influencer failed to mention in dozens of posts is that not only did he set up his wallet incorrectly, he basically failed to secure it at all. Entering a quote seed phrase in a way that no longer kept it private is code for using a hardware wallet seed phrase directly in a hot wallet, which is software such as MetaMask, and then leaving it with no password applied, an irresistible target for hackers. NFT God said, I didn't sign anything with my wallet. I didn't execute a bad mint. A critical mistake on one technology led to my downfall on another. The file I downloaded from the ODS sponsored link, and he meant OBS, was obviously malware. The first sponsored link I've ever clicked will certainly be my last. You see, once a crypto seed phrase is placed into a software environment, especially one as insecure as Microsoft Windows, there's an increased chance that malicious code from hacker groups can locate it quickly. Automated scripts, once installed on your computer, scour the system drive tirelessly for any files related to crypto, wallet files, and seed phrases. And while MineYourBiz endorses Linux and even macOS as more secure alternatives to Windows, all operating systems are capable of running these malicious scripts. For example, here's a Python script that will very simply look across your computer's storage for any JPEGs called monkey and place them in a folder called monkey money. If you choose to save this script into a text file ending in .py, it will run on Linux just as well as it runs on macOS or Windows, if Python is installed and working. None of this is meant to scare you. It's only meant to impress upon you the seriousness of crypto security. The bad guys never sleep, or at least their code doesn't. And that means you must set up the best security possible so that you can sleep. NFT God said, these last 24 hours haven't been fun, but I'm already well along moving past this. There's something about getting your livelihood stolen in this way that brings closure. There's no recourse. It's not fixable. You can't revert blockchain transactions. And I say you can make excuses or you can make your crypto secure, but never both at the same time. In crypto, transactions are final by design. If it's stolen, it's gone forever. Here are MineYourBiz's key takeaways. Yeah, I know, sad pun intended. Never believe that you can escape a hack if you're risky just this once. Several OG crypto figures have been wrecked by that kind of thinking. And my wife reminded me while I was writing this that we've attended a handful of baby showers due to this type of thinking as well. Only use secure operating systems for crypto transactions. Linux, Mac OS, or Windows Server Editions. Yeah, I said Windows Server Editions. And seriously, in that order. For your phone, hardened Android or iOS. Also in that order. And by hardened Android, I mean Lineage OS, Calyx OS, or Graphene OS in listed in increasing hardened AOSP versions. And last but not least, always use a hardware wallet. Even if you just want to show off some NFTs on social media, always use a hardware wallet. Now, this episode is so serious that I didn't want to give any additional recommendations or list any referral links on the post. Just my best wishes for a speedy recovery to those who've been hacked this year, especially NFT God. The crypto ain't coming back, but maybe their morale can. And a warning, crypto security is up to you. Look up our other posts on wallets, security, and privacy tools to learn more specifics. And remember to stay private and mind your biz.